What is up, everybody? We're doing shared spaces. Let me looking at this mother trucker. Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah, you can hear me. Let me turn off this music here. Turn that off. All right, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes. All right. So we are streaming, and I am. Yeah, there we go. Freaking A. Just setting up everything real quick. Here we go. This is what I wanted. Let's pull out my streaming stuff. Alright. So what I'm going to do is show you guys real quick. We've got a Unity XR developers Reddit, so be sure to check that out. But what I'm going to be doing today is experimenting live with the Unity shared spaces. It's a multiplayer thing by Meta, using Unity netcode for game objects, Photon, all this stuff. And the thing is, I haven't learned about this beforehand. I'm learning it live with you. And I'll probably make a video after about how to actually do it, but might as well do it together, I guess. Frick. So here we are. So first thing we got to do is git LFS install. If you don't know what git LFS is, it's a large file storage, I think is what it's called. And it allows you to basically use version control with Big Daddy files, which is basically gaming stuff. And I'm going to grab a drink. Be right back. My drink is right here. Oh yeah, got some homebrewed kombucha. All right, so let's open a. I've already installed git LFS, but I can double check real quick, just for the sake of the stream, I guess. We're gonna go. Let me do git bash. And then we're gonna go. We don't need a writer yet. We're gonna go git LFS install. Oops, that's not how it's spelled. Git LFS install. Hello.
I'm here to steal your baby.
Oh, okay. And it says git LFS initialized, so we're good. Then we're gonna go find a place to put this. So I have a directory called Unity projects. Apparently, no, I don't. It's somewhere. I got it somewhere. Am I dumb? Let's see here. Is that under OneDrive? Change directory, OneDrive. Dude, where is it? SPC. Unity project. So I need to go to open in terminal. Where is this? C. There we go. We're in our Unity projects. Now we're going to just clone this into here. So we're going to go git clone, paste it in there, and you can see that it's right here. So it's downloading. Cool. So it's downloaded. We can just kind of open it here, yada yada. Let's see here. What does it ask in next? So it says to load the scene. So I'm going to go into my Unity and add this. I'm going to add this project, going like that, add project. Now I can launch it. And it's saying to go to the specific scene once we get there. I'm just going to put this like that. Give Unity some space. Cool beans. While we're waiting for Unity to open, I'm going to go again and show you the XR Unity developers subreddit that I started, and it's going to be everything. Basically, imagine so Reddit already has community of XR or VAR XR developers. This one's specifically for Unity developers, and my goal is to create. I've got the Discord, so this is my Discord, and a place where people can ask technical questions, any kind of questions related to XR and Unity. And also another thing that I would like to do with it is create documentation. So not just having a community, but having pages and pages of documentation of community created content on how to develop things. So usually when you go into Reddit or whatever, say we're going to go to like Unity or something, and you get all these people asking questions. And once they get their questions solved or something, they don't write up what they did to fix it, right? They don't write up any of that stuff. And the Notion docs within our community, so there'll be links to it and stuff, and there's a link to it in the Reddit, but the Notion docs will have all of written solutions, like how to do things, best practices, all in a centralized, organized place, not random chats, which is a very solid way to learn something, right? So if we go in the Unity Discord, we search, how to do something, right? You'll get a list of things of how to do all these things, and it's a really good resource. However, it's people. Like, people don't, talk in very clear ways all the time. And this wiki would be a clear, detailed way of that. So, okay, now we're ready. So, enabling Oculus telemetry. Okay, so we're basically agreeing to send Oculus data about us doing this, and I guess it's not ready to be done yet. So we'll continue. You can call this an add role, but it's not. It is. It's an add role. So yeah, that's what this wiki is going to be like. I will in the Discord have. This is the Discord for right now. I will have discussion pages, sharing weekly progress. There will be server levels, so the more you contribute to the Discord, you'll gain levels. And I will only allow people who are active members and a certain rank to be able to contribute to the Notion to try to keep the standard high and all that stuff. So yeah, that's just me rambling while this is loading. So it looks like we have the shared space here. I'm going to load in my big sack template. That's how I like to work in Unity. If you want it, just leave a comment, and I'll export the I'll export it, and then you can do it. There's some errors just from the get-go, but let's go ahead and continue following here. So this says to go to the assets, shared spaces, scenes, startup. I'm going to import these. It's giving us that thing that we should import it. Let's see here. Let me put this back over here. I got the stream chat for the 2 people that are going to watch this. So import this too. Okay, we've imported them. All the errors seem to have gone away, but we'll see. So we have the startup. After we have done the startup, we have to go set up Photon. Visit Photon Engine and create a account. And go here. Multiplayer made simple. Super cool. Sign up. This is my email. Register. I'm going to open it in my email. I'm not going to stream it. I'm terrible with knowing what to and to not stream, but I feel like email is probably a really bad one to stream. Just so I'm clicking set up password, so I'm going to put in a password and stuff. Don't worry. Cool. Set up a password. Give me 1 second. Okay. So now I create an account from your Photon dashboard. Create a new app. Dashboard. Oh, right in my face. Create a new app. Fill out the form, making sure you set the type to Photon real time. Then click create. Photon real time. Unity shared spaces. Create. So we've got a new application. And then click the app ID to reveal the full string and copy the value. They have it in Discord, so I'm just going to join that real quick. Oh, yeah. Cool. That's not what. Wait, what? What's going on? So when I go into here, it's saying to click on the app ID. I'm going to click. Where's the app ID? Mother trucker. Dashboard. Oh, it was right there. App ID. Oh, here we go. Copy. All right, so we got the app ID. So that's super unintuitive. It's right here. That's really bad. Okay, app ID. Paste your app ID into assets, Photon, resources, Photon app settings. So we go to Photon, resources, app settings, Photon app settings, ID, real time. Did that. All right. The Photon real-time transport should now work. We can check the dashboard in your Photon account to verify there is network traffic. Okay. So I assume that's maybe once we try things out. Okay. So we're gonna put that on the other screen for now, or we just put it right here for now. In order to keep the project organized, the Oculus integration and Photon Voice 2 packages are stored in the package folder. To update them, import their updated so that's updating them. So the overview of shared spaces. So Oculus, group presence with destination lobby and match IDs, Photon real-time transport, netcode for game objects, replication between room numbers with the master client as a host. Shared spaces networking is divided into 3 layers. The Oculus layer provides presence information needed to find and connect with friends. Photon layer provides the transport layer for sending messages to other players. And the netcode for game objects layer handles the replication of game objects. That seems really important. Let's highlight that. You can't. In the overview, we will explore each of these layers and show how we connected them together to make a simple multiplayer application, which allows people to connect and play together without needing for dedicated server. I also just had a random thought. I want to create a channel that is you're trying to find people to develop with. So looking for group. And so you would post what your project is, what you're looking for other people. Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that. A private lobby connected to rooms. Shared spaces is made of a few connected levels known as destinations. In the center is your personal lobby with doors leading to the surrounding matches. The matches on the left are private and are reachable from your own lobby. The match on the right is public, reachable from any lobby. Okay, so purple is public, blue, green, and red are not. Let me real quick open let's move this to the other side real quick. Let's see if we can just like play the game, right? How do we just play it? I'm gonna grab in my headset and my Oculus Link, and some controllers. Alrighty. Alright. Frick. I'm realizing that My microphone is using the USB-C connection that I need, so give me 1 second, I'm gonna go get it. Is it back? Ah, cool, we're back. Cool. And then I'm going to plug in my link. I'm going to turn on my Oculus. If you're having a wild time watching me, be sure to like and subscribe, mother trucker. Alright, we have turned this on. Let's allow. We're going to enable Oculus Link. Boo doo 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 doo. Right. Says PC disconnected for some reason. This always happens. I have to like connect it like 5,000 times.
Probably time to do the whatever soon.
What was that? Make sure the Oculus app is running. It's running, mother trucker. Yeah, it's running. Let's try it again. I'm gonna unplug it. Try it again. Goodness gracious. Why you in the whack? Sometimes it makes me exit out of Unity before I can do this. Such a weird thing. And I got dinner. So, you know what? We're going to do round 2 later tonight. Appreciate everyone hanging out. But we will be back later. Alright, have a good one.